All right, number 2, a desktop in the shape of a parallelogram has a base of 25 inches and a height of 45 inches. What is the area of the desktop? All right, so if we're looking at a parallelogram, the formula for an area is equal to base times height. So parallelogram is the same formula as area of a rectangle. So a parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. And in this case, this one says that it has a base of 25 inches. And it has a height of 45 inches. Now remember, my height goes from the base to the very top of the parallelogram. I forgot the number, 45. So I can't count the slanted line right here as my height because if something is slanted, you can't tell how tall it is. So think about it. When you go to the doctor, they have you put your feet up against the wall and you stand up against this ruler and they tell you to stand up straight and tall. They don't want you to stand on your tippy toes. They don't want you to lean forward or lean backwards or slouch. They want you to stand up. So it's the same thing with a parallelogram or a triangle. So they need the height that goes from the very top of the shape to the very bottom of the shape. All right, so then to find the area, we just do base times height. So our base is 25 and our height is 45. So then we're just going to multiply those two numbers together. And it doesn't matter what order I multiply them in because multiplication is commutative. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2 gives you 22. Add that 0. 2 times 5, that's 10. And 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 gives you 9. So then I add these together. That's 5, 2, and 11. So the area of this parallelogram is 1,125 square inches. Because when we're dealing with area, we're dealing with 2 dimensions. So it's your units are squared.